I would like also to give my testimony. Sabi ko nga, ayaw kong umiyak eh. Pero I think I need to say my testimony of how the Lord truly used this ministry to my life, of how they make me, no? They mold me in this ministry. So I always, sinasabi ni Pastor Ted, hindi naman lumalaki yung ulo ko kasi talagang biyaya lang naman ng Panginoon. Sabi niya, Pastor Ronnie Kerubin is one of the pride and joy of Subic Bay Baptist Church or Subic Bay Children's Home. And I praise the Lord for that, and that is a grace of God. Kasi I grew up here in a children's home. Kami po ay magkakapatid, no? We are 13 in our family, siblings. And I'm the third child doon po sa akin po, mga magkakapatid. Pangatlo po ako, and yung magulang ko po sa hirap ng buhay, no, hindi po kami talagang sustain, and I grew up sa palengke, sa lansangan, and yan po yung buhay ko noon when I was a kid. Nagsubok din po ako na ng mga sasakyan sa palengke, then able na gawain yung mga bagay po na yun para lang ma-survive. Yan po yung gawain ko noon. But by the grace of God, no, sa biyaya po ng Panginoon, and of course, for the comfort of my mom, napunta ako rito sa children's home. Of course, ang bahay namin sa labas lang. Pero since she knows na ito pong lugar na ito ay safe para sa akin, so I grew up here when I was 10 years old. I was 10 years old when I was in Subic Bay Children's Home. Until now, I am already 42 years old. I'm 42. Parang mukha lang 41. Pero I'm already 42 years old. So, 32 years I've been here in this ministry. So, by the grace of God, ngayon po ay naging pastor na po ako ngayon. So, as I said, I'm willing to give my testimony of how this ministry been used by God. Grabe po na ngayon po I'm a pastor of Open Door Baptist Church doon po sa Orion, Bataan, and I have my family, no? I have my wife. My wife also is a member of Subic Bay Baptist Church, and she also worked for 20 years as a secretary, as a teacher in ACE, as a full-time members of this church for for 20 years that we met together here, and now I have 4 children. Malalaki na rin po sila, and my children also become a part of this ministry, na sila po ay nag-aral din dito, at ngayon po sila po ay nagpapatuloy po na ginagamit din po ng Panginoon. So if not of this ministry na ginamit po ng Panginoon, I do believe na ako po ay naging miserable na po yung akin pong buhay ngayon. But I thank the Lord na ito po ministry na ito has been used by God to mold me of who I am now. Pagkatapos po noon, 2004, I enter seminary doon po sa Iloilo, and all the expenses ng akin pong pag-aaral sa Bible School is shouldered by Subic Bay Children's Home or Subic Bay Baptist Church. And I graduated on 2009 as a pastor na kung saan ay tinawag po ng Panginoon sa biyaya ng Diyos. Tunay na kung talagang ito po ay mawawala ang Subic Bay Children's Home po ay talaga pong nakakalungkot. But I praise the Lord for this institution, this work, this ministry, that truly, if not of this instrument that God used, I don't know where I am now. Pero I thank the Lord na yun nga, na ang biyaya ng Panginoon ay napakalaki, napakalawak. So, now, ako po ay ginagamit ng Panginoon ngayon, and my life has been used by God. In many ways, dahilan sa mga bagay po na naituro, na ipangaral sa lugar po na ito. So, truly, Pastor Ted is talagang tatay na po siya sa amin. Hindi po matutumbasan yung pag-ibig na meron po si Pastor Ted, Nanay Ligaya, because lahat po ng mga bata dito sa Children's Home na dumaan ngayon hanggang sa mga nakaraan pa po, you know what Nanay Ligaya treat those children, they are treated as the same as their children. Ang ganda po na kung anong kinakain namin, kinakain din po nila Pastor Ted. Talagang grabe po. At yan po ay napakaganda pong pagpapala sa buhay po namin. So, yan lang po. Tunay po, sarap na alalahanin, tignan kung paano po itong lugar na ito ay ginamit ng Panginoon. Who I am now. So, praise the Lord. Thank you po, Pastor Ted and Nanay Ligaya, of course, to those people who sacrificed and gave their life, talaga pong naging blessing po.